The Arax Dancers of Fresno, California, and today we're at the Solomon Tellerian Monument, which is located in the Masis Ararat Cemetery. He's one of our Fedayeen warriors that we remember and that we honor through a monument that you see behind us. Today we're going to be doing the dance called the Sepastia Bar, which is from the area of Sepastia. It has a very unusual rhythm, and you're going to see two different parts of the dance as we move through this video. I'm Zaroohi Der Mugrdechian, and dancing with me I have Ariana Garabedian, Kara Statler, Matthew Mugrdechian, and Andrew Hagopian. Have a great time learning this dance. Step right, kick back heel, in front left. Step right, back, in front. Step left, back, in front, step right back, in front, step hop, step together, step, kick back with the left, then in front, right foot, left foot kick back, in front, right foot kick back, in front, step, hop, left together, left, step, kick back with the left and back, right, back, in front, left, back, in front, right, back, in front, step, hop, left together, left, step right, kick back heel, in front left, step right, back, in front, step left back, in front, step right back, in front, step hop, step together, step,